So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see how we can design a Rivet. So we are already in the design part design. So let's go with the front plane. Let's make it on front plane and go for sketch. And what we can do, we can take a rectangle and draw it like this. Take a circle and draw it like this. Let's go for line and draw it like this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to firstly define the whole plane. So for this we are going with the 60 mm, and for the 30. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to trim these parts. Which parts? This one, this one, this one, and I forgot to make a line from here. And we have actually, let's exit the trim and let's zoom it here. We have to move. Let's delete these entities. Yeah, now that's a good one. Let's draw another line from here to horizontally here, and now then we have to trim these. So our half part is ready. What we have to do is simply we can remove this line too. So let's remove this one, and the whole part is ready. Now what we can do, we can go for the revolve bus base and select this. Let's hit OK. So our Rivet is ready now. So in the next video we will see how we can make a bolt and nuts. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.